direct and indirect. Now read the following sentences. He said he is not well today. He said that he was not well that day. In these sentences, the first one is in a direct speech and the second one is in indirect speech. So, what do you understand by direct speech? When the speaker words are presented in a same way without making any change, then it is called the direct speech. Now let's see some rules. We place the speaker words in a quotation marks. Number 2, a comma separates the reported speech from the reporting verb. For example, Ganesh said. Then we will place a comma and the speaker words will be written in inverted commas. Number 3, we put a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark at the end of the speaker's word. Number 4, the speaker words within the inverted commas will always start with a capital letter. Now, what is indirect speech? When the speaker words are presented in your own way by making some changes, then it is called indirect speech. But we do not use quotation mark and comma is also removed in indirect speech. Number 5. Conjunctions like that, if, or to are used for introducing the reported speech. Number 6. We do not use question mark or exclamation marks. Only full stop is used at the end of the sentence. The tense of reporting verb and the universal truths always remain unchanged. For example, our teacher said the sun sets in the west. Direct. Our teacher said that the sun sets in the west. Indirect. If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, then there will be no change in the tense of the indirect speech. For example, he says, I am thirsty. Direct. He says that he is thirsty. Indirect. When the reporting verb is in a past tense, then the reported speech is changed in the following way. Number 1, simple present becomes simple past. For example, he said, the girl works here. Direct. He said that the girl worked there. This is indirect. Present continuous become past continuous and so on. In indirect speech, can changes into could, will and shall into would, and may changes into might. For example, Jyoti said, I cannot speak properly. Direct. Jyoti said that she could not speak properly. Indirect. Similarly, this changes into that, there into those, and here changes into there. Now changes into then, at present into at that time, later, after, today, that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the previous day, or the day before, tomorrow, the following day, or the next day. Ago changes into before. Come, but not always changes into go. Tonight into that night. Next week, the following week. Last night, the previous night. Thank you. Have a nice day.